Hey, this is JD and FIA. Just wanted to show you these left hand chords you can do. We're in the key of G flat. All right, so what we're doing 1, 7, 3, 6, walking down, kind of like a 5-1-4, minor 5-1-4, 3, 6, 2, 5. All right, and as I showed you in the intro, you can play a bunch of different types of songs on top of this progression. Essentially, you just get into the 4. All right, so anytime you have a 1-5-6-4 progression, all right, you could throw it in 1, 5, 6, 4, or you could say 1, to get there. All right, so let me give you these chords. All right, so we're in G flat. G flat scale. G flat's gonna be 1, A flat's 2, B flat's 3, C flat, we're gonna call it B, that's our 4, D flat's 5, E flat 6, F is 7, back to G flat. All right, so not gonna really cover any right hand because you can pretty much play what you want to. What you want to on your right hand. All right. Don't really matter on the right hand. All right, so first I'm playing the G flat major 7 chord, and left. So all this will be on the left hand. So I have G flat, B flat, D flat, F. All right. Then I'm gonna play my 7. It's gonna be a F7 chord. Left hand F. I'm in the habit of saying left hand, but F, A, C, E flat. Then I'm gonna play my 3. So I'm just gonna move from here to here. So I have F, A flat, B flat, D. This is my B7 chord. Or here. All right, just invert it. So we have 1, 7, 3, 6. I'm playing an E flat minor 7. E flat, G flat, B flat, D flat. All right. Then I'm gonna drop down to this D augmented. Only thing I'm gonna do is drop the E flat down to D. So that chord will be D, G flat. I should be calling this F sharp in this case, but we're gonna keep it flat. So D, G flat, B flat, D flat. All right, so up to there we have 1, 7, 3, 6, drop down. All right, and then we're gonna mimic this. And normally we'll play something like that, but we're gonna mimic that chord. All right, with just these notes. So we have D flat, E flat, A flat, B flat. All right, so it's like a D flat minor 6 chord is the way you want to look at it, a minor 5. All right, then you're gonna mimic going back to that 1. All right, by doing that. All right, so now we have D flat, E. So D flat, E, G flat, B. All right, so that move. And then that takes you to your 4, B major 7, B, E flat, G flat, B flat. All right, so we have. Alright. From there we're gonna go to our 3. We're gonna play a 3-6-2-5-1. Alright, 3-6-2-5-1. So 3, I'm playing a B flat minor 7, B flat, D flat, F, A flat. Then I'm gonna go back to that E flat, to my 6, that E flat minor 7, E flat, G flat, B flat, D flat. Now from here, I like to tap the A flat, just a single A flat note for my 2, and then play this chord. Like that. Hold the sustain pedal down and play G flat, B flat, C, E flat. All right, all together that gives you A flat 9. All right. All right, then do the same thing for your 5. Hit the D flat, and then you're gonna play this chord, D flat, and then F, A flat, and B. It's like an F diminished chord. And that takes you back to your 1. So practice that right there alone. It's good 2-5-1. So you put it all together, you have 1, 7, 3, 6, D augmented, 5, 1, 4, 3, 6, 2, 5. And remember, the reason why I call this 5-1, because it's functions as that 5-1 chord. If I played the full thing, five, 1, 4 is where it functions. Two, 5. And you can just put what you want to in your right hand. You can use it for talk music. So yeah, 1736 514 3251. Hope that helped. Be blessed. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.